Hello vlog, welcome to my tanamoms. But before that, I would like to say thank you to my subscribers. For those who are new, do not fail to subscribe, to click the subscribe button. So probably you might be wondering why it took a long time. Because your mom, your plant mom hibernated. It's just a joke. Okay, so I have here with me a very beautiful plant, if you noticed. Okay, I hope you have this at home. I am going to share to you three distinct character for this kind of plant. Okay, the first one is the color of the bloom, which is orange yellow at your end, as well as the second, okay, orange yellow or red, orange red yellow, and the third is it looks like that of a tube. Okay, so it has a tubular flower. What will be, there are 5 common names for this kind of plant. Okay, it is known as lipstick plant, lipstick vine, basket vine, showy basket vine, or showy basket plant. Okay, so what could be this? Okay, so a while ago I have told you that it is a lipstick plant. Okay, why? Because it looks like that of a lipstick and it is attached. Okay, it is found inside a tube-like structure which is known as the calyx. Okay, so this one is the calyx. I hope it is clear at your end. Okay, see how beautiful is the coloration, and look at the structure. It is tubular. It looks like that of a lipstick. That is why, okay, it is known as the lipstick plant. How do we propagate this kind of plant? There are 2 ways which is easy for us to propagate this one. Either we prune or we cut, okay, cutting below the nodes. Okay, they are very leggy, okay, which is very hard legs, hard stem, okay, and feel the protrusion of those legs or stem. Those are the nodes. Below that one, you cut that one and place in a water medium so that roots will be produced. And the second way of propagating this one is the presence of a rhizomes or a tuber inside. So you will just divide the rhizomes or the tubers. So there are 2 ways, either division of rhizomes and tubers as well as cutting below the nodes. Okay, always remember that the stems are very hard. Another thing is that of the leaf. The leaves of this one, they are shaped as ovate or lanceolate. So, meaning that you have, at the tip, it is pointed as well as at the base. So, pointed tip, leaf tip, as well as the base. So, it could run between that of a lanceolate and ovate. Spoon-like. It's not spoon-like. Okay, and another thing, the margin itself is entire, so it is smooth. If you are going to feel this one, it is waxy as well as leathery. So the leaves are waxy and leathery. One requirement for this one is that they do not like direct sunlight. So meaning to say it thrives well in a filtered sunlight. So what is the scientific name for this kind of plant? This plant belongs to family Gisneriaceae, and family AESCHYNANTHUS. Okay, genus AESCHYNANTHUS, species Speciosus. So in other words, its full botanical name or full scientific name is AESCHYNANTHUS speciosus because of this rasta. Okay, this kind of gisneriads, they are trailing, or they are vine. Okay, they trail itself, they hang. That is why they are known as basket plant. Okay, so it is well, uh, you can have this one placed in a basket so that it can trail itself. That is why some of the Aeschynanthus, they are known as the rasta plant. Rasta meaning vine and trailing. See how beautiful this plant is. Another thing is this kind of plant, we said a while ago that they hate direct sunlight, so meaning to say they like filtered light. Another thing, please refrain from having too much water on its medium. It likes abundant humidity, but it doesn't like saturated water for its medium. For my lipstick plant, what I used are coconut chips, as well as I have here a mixture of rice hulls as well as garden soil, so that the water will be drained, okay, right away. Another thing is, I have a suspect, no, that some this is also known as Mona Lisa. However, I'm pretty sure that this one is Aeschynanthus speciosus because of its coloration. For Mona Lisa, lipstick plant Mona Lisa, the calyx is purple or burgundy, but this one, its color is yellowish to green. Okay, so let's see. Another thing, please refrain from placing this in your mouth. It is because the leaves as well as the stem and the flowers are really poisonous. For this kind of family, Aeschynanthus, there are around 200 species. So this is just only one, the speciosus. This kind of plant is only one out of the 200 species. For the leaf tip, the tip, as we said a while ago, it looks like that of, it is pointed as well as the base, because it is it runs between acute to aristate, whereas the base, still it is pointed, it runs between that of acute to acuminate. However, they are herbaceous plant. They are also perennial, meaning to say they can withstand, they can live. Its life cycle is a period of 2 or more years, as long as you are going to provide it with the best medium, as well as exposing it in a filtered light. However, for its bloom, if you noticed, it is in a rosette form, as well as it is cluster. So when we say cluster, okay, they nagkumpul-kumpul, nagtipok sila, kung binisaya pa. And I was amazed because supposedly for lipstick plant, they are going to bloom from June until October. However, mine have bloomed as early as March. So see, this one is our lipstick plant, which is fiery in color. That is why I like it. Okay, and it is in cluster 4. So again, this plant is Aeschynanthus speciosus, or the fiery lipstick plant, because of its bloom, which is it runs between red-orange to yellow, and it is in a rosette form. So, and look at the stem, it is hard, it is leggy, very gamay, no, very gamay, and then very hard. You can observe the short nodes. It is at the nodes that the leaves, the ovate and the lanceolate or the lanceolate leaves are attached. Okay, mine is now browning, so meaning to say I have exposed my AESCHYNANTHUS speciosus in an abundant water, because in our area here in Malaybalay, even if it is weekends, now it's March, but still we have plenty of rains. So I hope those areas wherein they do not have rains, I hope that you will receive rains in after a few weeks. I also pray for those having war to cease war, and then I also dedicate this to the candidate that I am rooting into because of a very well placed agenda. So my challenge, okay, choose our own candidates wisely. So once again, I have here with me our fiery lipstick plant, aka scientific name or botanical name is AESCHYNANTHUS speciosus. So thank you so much. Before I am going to end, shout out to Nace Needle and oh my goodness, it fell. Okay, Nace Needle, as well as Rosemary Soto. Rosemary Soto. So thank you so much. Do not fail to subscribe to my channel, Mommy's Group's channel. So God bless everybody.